Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our discussion today. We're about to delve into a critical topic that pertains to your financial well-being. Imagine a scenario where your hard-earned money has the potential to work just as hard as you do, rather than simply sitting stagnant in a bank account. We're here to explore this concept and offer you insights into how you can transform your financial future. Greetings, my esteemed viewers, and a warm welcome to our channel. To those of you already part of our community, our future millionaires, we extend our gratitude for your support. And to those who have yet to join our ranks, we eagerly await the moment when you become a part of our exceptional family. Here, we venture far beyond the ordinary. Today, our focus turns to the realm of banking, a topic that has recently captured significant media attention. We're scrutinizing the imposing fees and charges levied by banks and pondering how their original purpose has diverged from their present practices. Moreover, we're here to enlighten you on how you can transition from being a mere account holder to assuming the role of your very own financial institution. Brace yourselves, for we are about to embark on a journey that promises early financial freedom and increased net worth. The timing of this discussion is no coincidence, as the headlines bear witness to the concerns surrounding the astronomical fees that are burdening individuals who entrust their funds to traditional banks. These institutions, once designed to safeguard our money and facilitate commerce, have shifted their focus to extracting fees rather than creatively multiplying our resources. It is time to question this status quo and make informed decisions. Let's rewind to the origins of banking, where their primary function was to serve as custodians of large sums of money, facilitating trade and providing loans. While they engaged in other activities, these were the foundational principles. In those bygone days, banks didn't subject their clients to an onslaught of fees. Instead, they derived income from lending funds at a higher interest rate than they offered depositors, or by investing those funds in ventures that yielded profits. A portion of these earnings was used to run their operations, and the rest was shared with the depositors as interest. Alas, this model has transformed significantly. In the present day, the banking landscape has evolved, leaning heavily toward fees and charges. This shift has resulted in a plethora of charges for maintaining an account, having a low balance, writing large checks, and more. The ethos of inventive investing has dwindled, giving way to a landscape where fees generate substantial profits for banks. While the original intent was to safeguard our wealth, today our money often languishes in accounts, either eroded by fees or earning negligible interest. Take heed of our words. We are not advocates of idle complaint. Rather, we empower you to seize control of your financial destiny. Today, we shall illuminate 6 compelling reasons why we choose to shun traditional banks and share our strategies for optimizing our net worth and pursuing financial freedom at an accelerated pace. Our first rationale stems from the exorbitant fees and charges prevalent in conventional banking. It is both disheartening and illogical to witness our hard-earned income, already subjected to considerable taxation, further eroded by mounting banking fees. We seek a more judicious course of action, one that ensures our funds are deployed wisely to our advantage. In stark contrast, let us explore the interest rates offered by banks, rates that often languish below 1% per annum. In the face of this, we are compelled to investigate alternative investment avenues that promise significantly superior returns, albeit with prudent risk management. Consider the potential of 3, 5, or even 10% returns juxtaposed against the paltry sub-1% rates offered by conventional banks. The choice is clear. Yet, some may contend that the perceived safety of banks outweighs all else. While this sentiment holds some validity, we must acquaint ourselves with the concept of deposit insurance, a safety net that indemnifies a portion of our deposits in the event of a bank's insolvency or compromise. However, this security blanket is subject to a monetary cap, beyond which we are exposed to risk. It is our duty to determine whether this threshold aligns with our financial ambitions. A central tenet of our discourse pertains to the quality of service provided by traditional banks. It is not uncommon to experience frustration when seeking a loan or even opening an account. The undue hardship of enduring long lines or navigating through complex processes does little to foster a sense of partnership between the bank and its clients. We advocate for a more personalized approach, one where your financial aspirations are met with genuine care and attention. Moreover, we shine a light on the prevailing inequities and favoritism that often govern banking relationships. Some borrowers enjoy favorable terms and interest rates, while others are burdened with less attractive agreements. This bias is most pronounced among those who lack negotiation skills or financial literacy. Our stance is that financial fairness should be the norm, not an exception. Furthermore, the escalating fees and charges levied by banks present yet another obstacle. We contend that these fees, coupled with subpar interest rates, erode the value of our savings. In pursuit of maximizing our financial potential, we advocate for a shift towards a strategy that empowers us to dictate our own financial landscape, rather than being mere spectators. In this vein, we present our overarching strategy, becoming our very own bank. We manage our income and expenditure meticulously, similar to how a bank balances deposits and withdrawals. By embracing a well-structured budget, we optimize our finances, identifying areas where we can trim expenses and channel surplus funds towards investments that promise substantial returns. We are proponents of taking an active role in our financial affairs. Just as a traditional bank invests its deposits in real estate or mutual funds, we wield the power to do the same, cutting out the intermediary and reaping the full benefits of our investments. Through dedicated research, consultation with financial advisors, and ongoing financial education, we acquire the tools to make informed investment decisions. Ladies and gentlemen, we draw this discourse to a close with an imperative message. Seize the reins of your financial destiny. Do not be content with the status quo. Rise above mediocrity, challenge inequities, and become the architect of your own financial future. Let us usher in an era where our hard-earned funds work diligently for us, propelling us towards early financial freedom and unprecedented net worth. As we bid adieu, let us remember that the power to shape our financial destiny rests within our grasp. Thank you for joining us today.